The most expensive houses in the world. Think of your dream property and then think a little harder and you'll begin to get an idea of what the most expensive homes in the world look like. Because what happens when you bring together an architect limited only by gravity and an owner with a bottomless wallet? You get a luxury house filled with bespoke features tailored exactly to your personality and taste. And the sky's the limit. That could mean an outdoor theater overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, an entirely circular building, or whole new levels of exciting tech. These million-dollar homes knew no limits when it came to furnishing or decorating. Mega mansions, or a million-dollar house, doesn't really cover it. The world's biggest house comes with 240 bedrooms and 535 other rooms. Some of the other most expensive homes ever sold are vertical palaces designed to withstand earthquakes or sprawling estates with breathtaking views. The homes of the rich know no boundaries. 1. Buckingham Palace, United Kingdom. Buckingham Palace might not be put up for sale anytime soon, but if it were, it would be worth around $4.9 billion, making it the most expensive house in the world. With 240 bedrooms, 188 staff rooms and 52 royal and guest bedrooms, as well as a swimming pool and doctor's surgery, it's a place called home by the British royal family and is also open to the public for guided tours. In total, this rich house, if you can call this crown property a mere house, contains 775 rooms, including 19 staterooms, 92 offices, and 78 bathrooms. It's also got a huge team of staff as well as beautiful gardens. Rumor has it there are a few other secret rooms dotted throughout this huge luxury mansion. Spread over around 77,000 square meters, Buckingham Palace is also one of the biggest houses in the world. Estimated value: $4.9 billion. Location: London, UK. Owner: King Charles III, in right of the British Crown.
Hosted by the monarch takes place. Although Buckingham Palace is the main home of the monarch, the late Queen Elizabeth II